When you say Etsy is one of the best ways right now in 2024 to break 5 to 10K a month without a doubt, yes, bro. Yes, dude. Bro, Etsy right now is honestly a hack. It's literally just like a hack. It's crazy. It's super, super good. And as I said, it's just not that hard. Like, it's really not that hard. The main reason, let me think about the reasons why people do it. So, actually, let me frame it like this, right? Let's talk about the actual Etsy Kings members, like when the Etsy Kings members fail. The biggest thing that I see is why Etsy Kings members actually fail to get to like 5 or 10K per month consistently is they maybe make like 3, 4, 5K in the first like 3 months, first 2.5 months, quite quickly, right? They get to that point quite quickly. And it's often they've come into Etsy Kings as complete beginners. So making like 5K a month from the internet, from clicking a few buttons on a fucking keyboard. And they're like amazed by it. And they kind of get addicted to thinking it's easy and addicted to the lifestyle, right? It's like a kind of thing me and Hassan always say. They get addicted to thinking it's super easy and they get this massive ego and they think they're the best humans in the entire world because they made 5K online. 5K a month is like gas on the pedal. Like you need to run it, you need to fucking scale, you need to go hard. But a lot of people are like, I can take a break, I can go do this, I can go around, and they don't actually build the systems to actually get in the place of get into the next level, and they lose motivation for it because they think it's easy.